I'm Rosalyn, and today I'm going to be sharing my experience about me ordering my Pop On veneers. Now, I know you've seen these videos everywhere about veneers. However, Pop On veneers is different because they make a mold of your teeth. So they sent it to my home. You can go in or get it shipped at home within 2 days. I received mine. I got 3 opportunities to do an impression. I botched all 3 of them, but they were so great. They just sent me out a brand new one in less than 24 hours, and I got it right. I'm low in vitamin D and K, so I lost that silky shine, and I also have a missing tooth over here that makes me feel a little uncomfortable. However, Pop On Veneers filled in that tooth for me. It takes some getting used to. They told you to sing in the shower because you'll have a bit of a list, but it's worth it. So here's my Hollywood smile. Thanks for watching.